Hello guys, this is Biker Sahil. Hope you all guys are fine today. Today's video is all about dirt bike, budget dirt bike in Nepal. Hope you all guys love this video and informative for you. So let's start the video in number 10, Motorhead 150R.
Motorhead company is a China originated company. 150R is its starting set bike. Motorhead 150R powered by Johnson 150cc dirt bike, which produce max power of 16 bhp and 17 Newton meter of torque, and the mileage of this bike is 45 km per liter. In its price segment, 2,78,000 is really great dirt bike in my point of view. Like this, there is also in 9 number Motorhead bike, Motorhead CRF 200, which is priced at 3,35,000. CRF 200 is powered by 199cc with air cooled engine, which produce max power of 16 bhp and 17 Newton meter of torque. Mileage of this bike is 40 km per liter. It's less than 150R, but the power of this bike is by 2 Newton meter and 3 bhp. So like this, in number 8 there is also one Motorhead MS200X, 3,65,000. MS200X is same as Motorhead CRF 200, same engine, same power, but I don't know what is the difference between these two bikes. In number 7, Hadford VR, which price at 3,72,000. Guys, if you are old lover of dirt bike, then you know about VR. VR motorcycle is older than any other dirt bike in Nepal. VR bike produce 19 bhp of power and 10 Newton meter of torque, which is not great at others comparison of other bike, but this is really reliable bike I can found in internet in low budget, guys. VR motorcycle is really old classy dirt bike. So like this, there is in 6 number Hero X-Pulse, which price at 3,85,000. Hero X-Pulse is a Indian originated bike by the company Hero, which produced the max power of 17.8 bhp and 16.5 Newton meter, and the engine is oil cooled, guys, which really help us a lot. Hero X-Pulse is really good bike in my point of view, and I really appreciate this bike. If I have a budget, then I will go for this. So like this, in number 5, Yamaha XT125, price as 3.99 lakhs. Yamaha XT125 is the lowest cc bike in this comparison, which produce 10.2 bhp and 9.9 Newton meter of torque. Yamaha just getting it at really high price, but there is more bike in same price tag, you can get more best price. So in number 4, Runner Hog at 4 lakhs by Raman Motors in Nepal. Raman Motors just priced at Runner Hog at a really good price, and which produce 9.5 kilowatt of power and 14.7 Newton meter of torque. It's really look at a small brother of Crossfire family. So guys, finally at number 3, UMDSR 200, price as 4 lakhs, which is originated US company but manufactured at China. UMDSR is really good looking, stunning dirt bike in Nepal, which you can get in this price segment, which produce max power of 14.89 bhp and 15.58 Newton meter of torque, which is great. In number 2, XR150L, price as 4,85,000. Honda is really a renowned company dirt bike in Nepal, which manufacture like CRF 250, CRF 250L. So the smallest bunch of this category is 150L, which produce max power of 12.14 bhp and 12.5 Newton meter of torque. Yamaha is really expensive motorcycle in this segment, which is also because of its really good quality of parts and its build quality. Guys, I really appreciate Honda in this segment. In number 1, there is Asian Beast, price at 4 lakh. Asian Beast is also Chinese bike, but it's really good quality plastic in used, and Asian Beast produce max power of 22 bhp and 19 Newton meter of torque. If you look really in first look, it's really look like as Crossfire, but the bike is really reliable, and the price which giving Asian Beast in Nepal is really good, in which we can get this type of dirt bike in Nepal. Guys, as we know all that dirt bike is really expensive. It go all the from like 22 lakhs to like 22 to 25 lakhs, but Asian Beast really help us and really just makes every dream come true by riding a dirt bike in Nepal. So in my this all comparison, in my like for power, for reliability, for everything, I will go with Asian Beast. And if I want something like in daily commuting or city riding or like as sometime fun, then I will go with Xpulse 200 uh, dirt bike. So guys, I hope you all guys love my video, like my video, and take care. Bye bye, see you next